Dempsey Arsenault, top midfielder for Boston College, been held off the board today. Still playing solid defense. She plays both ways, hardly ever comes out. Kent feeds Arsenault behind the back, score! There's a way to announce your presence.
Oh, you almost felt like you were just waiting for something special from somebody for BC today, and Arsenault provides it. And at the end of a nice offensive setup, it's Kent dropping her defender, finding Arsenault in one motion.
Dempsey Arsenault. Kenzie Kent now has 6 points today, 2 goals and 4 assists. Just a beautiful finish from Dempsey Arsenault.